As AI continues to advance rapidly and reshape various industries, it's unlikely that it will completely replace humans in the future. Here are some key considerations. AI is highly effective in performing specific tasks, often surpassing human abilities in data processing, pattern recognition, and certain decision-making processes. However, AI lacks the general intelligence, creativity, and emotional depth that humans possess. Current AI systems are designed for specialized functions rather than the broad, adaptable capabilities of human intelligence. AI is expected to automate many jobs, particularly those involving repetitive tasks or extensive data analysis. Some estimates suggest that AI could replace up to 85 million jobs globally by 2025. Nonetheless, AI is also poised to create new job opportunities, especially in areas related to its development, maintenance, and oversight. While AI will continue to evolve and take on more tasks, it is unlikely to fully replace human intelligence and creativity in the near future.